Okay, so today for math is lesson 7 in chapter 2, and I am going to go over the lesson with you on the video so that you aren't missing anything while you're out. So we have the distributive property today. Our essential question is what strategies can be used to multiply whole numbers. So far we learned the strategy of if we have 30 times 5 and we need to figure out what that is, we're going to multiply the digits that do not contain a 0. So 3 times 5 is 15, and then we add our 0 at the end. So that's the first one that we found. And then now we're going to work on another way, which is the distributive property. So that allows you to multiply a sum by a number. To do so, multiply each addend by the number, then add. So we have 3 times parentheses 5 plus 2. So what we're doing is saying that we're going to take that 3 and then we're going to distribute it. Okay? Now, let's just look at example 1 and we'll work on it together. So example 1, for a field trip, 42 students each paid $3 for transportation. Use mental math and the distributive property to find how much money was collected altogether. Find 3 times 42. So the first way could be the block way, which is we put our single digit number on the left, and then we break apart the tens and the ones and put it on the top. Then we do 3 times 4 is 12 and add our 0, and then 3 times 2 is 6, and then we would add these together to get 126. Another way would be to write 42 as 40 plus 2, so 3 times 40 plus 2. Apply the distributive property, so 3 times 40 is 120, and 3 times 2 is 6, and then we get 126. Okay, so instead of drawing a picture, they're just saying that you're going to write it out. So $126 was collected. Okay, example 2, we're going to find 7 times 26 mentally using the distributive property. So we're going to take 7 and leave it alone, and then take the 26 and we're going to break it apart from tens and ones. So 20 plus 6. 7 times 20 is 140. 7 times 6 is 42. 140 plus 42 is 182. So that's how you would solve it, okay? We'll get into this later where you could go like this and do that, but this is just a different way to do that, okay? Guided practice. So 5 times 18. 18 broken apart is 10 plus 8. We have 5 times 10 plus 5 times 8. We have 50 plus 5 times 8 is 40, and then our answer will be 90. 2 times 21. 21 is 20 plus 1. We're going to do the distributive property and break it apart. So 2 times 20 plus 2 times 1. 2 times 20 is 40. 2 times 1 is 2. The answer is 42. And that's it. Okay? Please show your work when you're doing this. You are going to be doing hot problems today, and then complete your homework.